tornado emergency for downtown Dallas. The National Weather Service in Fort Worth, Texas has issued a tornado warning for central Dallas County in north-central Texas, eastern Tarrant County in north-central Texas, southern Collin County in north-central Texas until 5:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:53 p.m. Central Daylight Time, an extremely large and extremely violent tornado producing widespread catastrophic damage was located very near Irving, or 3 miles west of Dallas, moving east at 30 miles per hour. This tornado has a history of producing catastrophic damage in Fort Worth. Extreme tornado emergency for all of Dallas County, including Irving and East Fort Worth. Mass devastation and a mass casualty situation is certain. Act now to protect your life. Hazard: extremely violent and extremely destructive tornado. Source: trained weather spotters. At 4:49 p.m. CDT, numerous power flashes were observed in this tornado as it hit Fort Worth. Storm chasers estimated that the tornado was over 3 miles wide. This tornado has a history of wiping out neighborhoods. In fact, this is a life or death situation. I repeat, this is a life or death situation. Flying debris will cause certain death to anyone caught without shelter. Many neighborhoods will be swiped away beyond recognition. Vehicles will be thrown like toy cars. Debris will block all roadways where the tornado impacts. Mass devastation is highly likely, rendering the entire area completely unrecognizable to survivors. Locations impacted from this extremely violent tornado include Dallas, East Fort Worth, Irving, and Grand Prairie. Precautionary preparedness actions. To repeat, an extremely large and extremely violent tornado with a history of complete devastation is occurring. To protect your life, take cover now. No above-ground shelters will save you from this deadly tornado. If there's not an underground shelter, move into a well-built structure on the lowest floor of a sturdy building and pray for your survival, as it's not guaranteed.